I personally have found peace and quiet in my life using painting as a conduit to inner stillness. Hi, my name is Crystal Beshara, and I've been an artist and professional watercolor instructor for over 25 years.
And if you have been following me for a while, you know that I offer all sorts of free tips and tricks, as well as a selection of online courses through my website where you can learn step by step with me. Please consider subscribing, and I hope you enjoy this new video.
Thanks for joining me today. We often think of meditation as a closing of doors, eyes shut, breath internal, but there's a profound power in the open-eyed meditation. It's a practice of staying while the world, and in this case, the water, is in motion. If you'd like to bring more mindfulness to your painting practice, you can try this approach. Begin by simply observing your subject, not to analyze or replicate, but to notice without the weight of judgment. Let your initial sketches be an entry point, a soft introduction, making first contact with the grain of paper. You may even notice the sound of your pencil moving against the paper's unique texture, a whisper of intention before the color arrives. From this quietude, we can invite color. We thoughtfully curate our mixtures on our palette, deciding on their relationships, considering how they'll react, push, or coax one another. As you blend your pigments to create something that resonates, something that feels right, notice the alchemy on your palette. In watercolor, we learn the discipline of non-attachment. When you observe the paint bleed and merge, you aren't just painting, you're anchoring your nervous system in the beauty of the uncontrolled. It's a form of meditation, a way to return to yourself through paint and the tip of your brush. Does your creative practice help you find a sense of stillness? I'd love to hear how you find your own open-eyed moments in the comments below. And if you're ready to build more confidence in your own watercolor journey, I've curated a free playlist of introductory watercolor videos right here on my channel. I'm leaving the link right here on the screen, or find it in the description box below this video.